Hello guys, I'm Katie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Vorsinkacom. I was asked lots of times how I make doll hair for my dolls, and in today's video I'm going to share with you my methods. As you can see, I have two doll heads. They are different, but I used one method to attach hair to doll heads. For this doll I used acrylic threads for the hair. For this doll I used acrylic yarn, then I did tresses, and then as you can see, I just sew tresses to the doll head. Also, I just want to show you that the hair is sewing to the doll head, and as you can see, the threads grow out from the doll head as a real hair. In today's video, I'm going to show how I did hair for this doll head. I have a board like this. It's the size the board is about 23 centimeters to 15 centimeters, or it's about 9 inches to 6 inches. I just use acrylic yarn and do several rotations around the board. So these threads I will sew to the doll head. I'm going to sew these threads to the doll head. For this I will use basic yarn that this head was crocheted from this yarn. So I just do a knot on the... I have a long thread, and I do knot on the end of the thread. Then I'm going to fix the thread hide this knot inside of the head and fix the thread. So I take one thread and sew this on the same hole. Skip this hole and insert needle on the next hole. Through the thread. So the first time, then I take the other thread, hold in a half, fold in a half, insert needle on the same hole, skip next hole and insert needle from the other hole through the thread, For this head I did the same, but with dresses. I did dresses from the acrylic yarn. This is acrylic yarn, and I did dresses from this acrylic yarn, and then I just sew each of dress on the doll head in the same method like this. So 1